As your ComfyUI workflows grow, they can become monsters. You might have 3 different upscalers, 4 control nets, and multiple face restorers, but you don't always want to run them all at once. Manually right-clicking to bypass nodes one by one is a total flow killer. Today, we're looking at the rg3 fast bypasser and muter nodes, the ultimate remote controls for your workflow. If you don't have them yet, open the ComfyUI Manager, go to Custom Nodes Manager, and search for rg3-comfy. Click Install and restart ComfyUI when prompted. Before we dive in, let's clarify the difference between bypass and mute because they behave very differently. Bypass or Ctrl+B, think of this as a shortcut. The node is skipped, but the data, like your image or latent, passes straight through to the next node as if the bypass node didn't exist. Use this for things like face derailers or upscalers. Mute or Ctrl+M, think of this as a dead end. It completely stops the flow. No data comes out of a muted node. Use this when you want to shut down an entire branch of your workflow to save VRAM or time. Let's look at this simple workflow. It has load image to upscale to sharpen and then branch to preview and save image. First, we'll use the fast bypasser node. We'll connect our upscale and sharpen nodes to it. With this connected, we have a central control panel to choose exactly which processes to run. This is a huge time saver when testing different settings for different images. As you can see, the result changes instantly. With bypass, the nodes after it still process correctly. However, if you use a muter in the middle of this chain, it would create an error because the data flow would hit a dead end. So when should we use the fast muter? It's perfect for the very end of a chain or a branch you aren't using. A great use case is the Save Image node. You might want to tweak your settings 50 times without filling your hard drive with trashed images. You only want to save when you're satisfied. Since the Save Image node doesn't have an output slot, we can't connect it directly to a muter in the traditional way. Instead, we use a context rg3 node as a workaround. Connect your sharpen output to a context node. Connect the image output of that context node to both the Save Image node and the fast muter. Now, when you toggle the context off via the muter, the Save Image node stops operating without generating an error. If you're organized and use groups, the Fast Groups Bypasser and Fast Groups Muter are life changers. They detect the labeled groups in your workflow and give you a master switch for the whole box. For simple example, let's edit our workflow and make 2 groups. Group 1 in the Upscale and Sharpen node, Group 2 is the Save node. Now we add Fast Group Bypasser, and as you can see, the 2 group name is now available in our node. We can bypass any group that we want. What if you only want to control specific groups? You can filter them by color. Change your group color, for example, to blue. Right-click the Fast Groups Bypasser and open the Properties or Properties panel. In the MatchColors setting, simply type blue. Now we will use Fast Group Muter node. This time we're setting it for red group. Also, talking about our previous video workflow of extending one to all video, we can use Fast Group Muter to do the job like this example. This turns your workflow into a professional dashboard. Imagine you have a massive group for video post-processing that takes 5 minutes to render. With a Fast Groups Muter, you can kill that entire process while you're still tweaking your initial image. Once the image looks good, toggle the group back on to render the final video. Anyway, you might be questioning what the point of muting if you can bypass, but muting actually helps if you have conditioning where your workflow branching and then go the same path again. I will talk about switch in future video. The rg3 suite is essential for anyone moving past basic workflows. It turns ComfyUI from a mess of wires into a professional dashboard. If you haven't installed rg3-comfy via the manager yet, go do it now, your sanity will thank you. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Cao 2025 for more deep dives into the latest AI research. Download the workflow in the description and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.